From the grandeur of Buckingham Palace to the bustling energy of Camden Market, this city has something for everyone. Welcome to London, one of the most vibrant and exciting cities in the world. Known for its rich history, diverse culture, and bustling energy, London is a destination that should be on every traveler's bucket list. London is home to some of the most famous landmarks in the world, including Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch. Visitors can watch the changing of the guard ceremony outside the palace, where the guards march to the palace accompanied by a band. The palace is also open to the public during the summer months, where visitors can see the state rooms and learn about the history of the palace. Westminster Abbey is another must-see landmark in London. The Abbey is a place of worship and has been the coronation church since 1066. It is also the final resting place of many famous figures, including kings and queens, scientists, poets and politicians. Narrator. When it comes to food, London has something for everyone. Whether you're in the mood for traditional British cuisine like fish and chips, or want to try some of the city's renowned international restaurants, you'll never go hungry in London. And when the sun goes down, London comes to life. The city is famous for its vibrant nightlife, with everything from live music and theatre performances, to trendy bars and clubs. It's the perfect place to let loose and enjoy yourself. One of the most iconic landmarks in London is the Tower of London, a historic castle on the north bank of the River Thames. Visitors can take a tour led by yeoman warders, also known as beefeaters, and learn about the history of the castle, including its use as a royal palace, prison, and treasury. Another must-see landmark in London is St. Paul's Cathedral, Sir Christopher Wren's masterpiece. Visitors can take a tour and climb the dome for a panoramic view of the city. The cathedral has also been the site of many significant events in British history, including the funerals of Lord Nelson and Sir Winston Churchill. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or just a good time, London has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Book your trip to London today and experience all this incredible city has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.